How would you like top social media marketers, video marketers, bloggers, website owners, e-com store owners, and other online business owners in your niche working to help you get more leads, sales, and profits? What if you had the option to get laser targeted traffic and top shelf backlinks from a massive network of authority blogs spanning any niche you choose? Or the ability to upload videos and content with your website, affiliate, or product links onto hundreds of active YouTube accounts, and even sharing your content on thousands of real social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Yes, you can absolutely make your content go viral, having multiple people sharing it on multiple social media accounts with just a click of a button. Better yet, all the traffic you're gonna get is real. No bot-driven traffic, no fake names and email addresses, no crossing fingers and hope that it's gonna be shared, or holding your breath while you wait for a software to deliver what was promised. Just real shares, complete posts, and tons of traffic directed to wherever you want them to go. Can you even start to imagine what you'll do with all of that traffic? Now, of course, you might want to know, why would highly successful people want to voluntarily help you get more traffic, sales, and profits? And to understand that, you first need to understand the power of community. And when it comes to online community, there is nothing more unstoppable. After all, isn't that the basic science of anything going viral? Person A shares something with person B, who then forwards it to person C, D, and E, and before you know it, you have an entire community of like-minded people all drawn together over a common idea, belief, or interest. You see, I've been in this industry for more than a decade now. I've sold products to over 150,000 members, and just last year alone, I sold more than $1 million worth of products. And believe me, there's no way I could have had nearly as much success if I hadn't relied on the power of community. Partnering with people to share my content and send me traffic has been invaluable. But how do you get the big boys to share your content when you're a total newbie? Or if your store is brand new? Or you're just trying to get your startup off the ground? Or there's a killer affiliate promotion that you want to promote, but you just need more reach? Well, that's why I created Trafic Ivy, and why many of the industry's most successful marketers are already members, with many more joining by the minute. Now, let me quickly tell you how to use Trafic Ivy to get real traffic to your offers today. All you need to do is choose your traffic points package below, log into your members area, and tell us where to send your traffic. We can post on people's blogs, social media accounts, display banners on blogs and websites, or upload your videos to our network of YouTube accounts. So you can get ready to see an ever-growing stream of real traffic, get real social shares across Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit, get real video uploads on hundreds of accounts and growing, place your articles and banners on people's blogs and high traffic websites, build backlinks on authority sites, getting you top ranking and massive organic traffic. It's all niche targeted, all shared by real people, and all ready to go when you need it. As your traffic is delivered, you'll get direct links to every Twitter post, every article share, and every YouTube video and Facebook post to see exactly where your content has been displayed. Then you're able to leave feedback. You can leave a rating, you can comment in our community-based rating system, so only the best traffic sources stay active. But I said free traffic, right? So what happens if you want more traffic than you have points? You see, that's where community really kicks in. You simply connect your social media accounts and websites. You earn points for sharing relevant community content, and then you spend your points on targeted traffic to your offers. And when you join today, you'll also get access to our Marketing Kickstart training area with best practice guides, easy to follow online business training, and an invitation to join our weekly live training calls and vibrant Facebook community. And this is all included in the low one-time price that you'll see below. The controls to the game-changing software platform are in your hands. So scroll down now if you want to learn more, and then click the button to create your membership and start getting your content shared moments from now. I'll give you a full 30 days to use this system and get as much traffic as you'd like. And if you're not thrilled with the results, you can let our team know and we'll refund your money. There's absolutely no risk for you and a whole lot of traffic to gain. So if you've seen even a glimmer of possibility for how you could use this traffic, then click below and I'll see you in the members area.